Morning guys, I am nice and rugged up because surprise surprise, it's still raining on the coast. But the joys of owning a pool is that even though it's raining, you still have to get in and clean it. So we bought the house and we thought that the creepy crawly would come with it, but unfortunately the previous owners took the creepy crawly with them and they're so expensive. So we've been manually doing it. I haven't myself, but Lee has definitely been getting in and giving it a clean. So yeah, that's the plan for today. Also been to vote in the federal election for Australia. So that was fun. So I've got to go get out of my lovely, nice, warm clothes and put my togs on. If you live anywhere else in the world, togs means swimmers or bathers, swimsuit. I don't know whether that's just a Queensland thing actually. Oh my God, togs are on, it's freezing. My watch says, it's upside down. My watch now has gone to the time. It's telling me that it's 18 degrees. Oh my God, it's so cold. So I'm doing everything I can to stall the process. I don't want to get in, it's too cold. But there's a shortage of salt at the moment, so our pool does have a salt chlorinator, but we've had to chlorinate it every day. So we've been using this stuff. And we just dump about a cup of that in every single day, yeah, because there's no salt. Strange, hey? Oh, it's super rainy. Oh my God, I had the nicest shower then. It was so hot, I actually didn't want to get out. I'm just going to do my hair now. I'm going to put them in some plaits. Haven't done plaits for ages. I'm going to throw some leaf down with. So my question is, how old is too old to be wearing pigtails? So it's lunchtime, but we desperately need to go grocery shopping and our fridge is super empty. So I'm going to throw together a little thing. Alright, I'll add a little bit of hot sauce. Oh, that's probably way too much hot sauce actually. This stuff is spicy. Not bad for a throw together meal. Let's have a taste, hey? Yeah, that's super good. The mint in there is really nice. Would do again. What? What do you want me to say?
What are you going to say would do again, babe?
Would cook again.
Just say it's really nice. Like, I'm enjoying it. Would cook again. Don't.
What do you want from me? So that little impromptu lunch wasn't bad, but if I were to make it again, I would probably cut down the amount of onion. I kind of took it out because it was starting to burn my mouth. Sonny, what are you doing? What you up to, mate? Morale? Just been out to run some errands. I had to get some petrol. Went to the fruit and veg shop. It used to be good, but now it's crap, so I'm not going to go there anymore. And I just went to the library to drop off some stuff that we had overdue, and also to pick up my new book that I had on reserve. So this is Dr. McDougall's cookbook. If you've read the Starch Solution, you'll know. If you know, you know. So I'm going to try some of these recipes out, and I also found this one just through this Thermomix Vegetarian Kitchen. This should be good. Looks like it's got some nice recipes in there as well, and I just want to get to know. I've had the Thermomix for probably about, I don't know, maybe 4 or 5 years, and I still don't use it to its greatest potential. We do, you use it heaps for smoothies and things, but we don't really make like actual meals. Oh, this looks good. Mexican stack. That looks really nice. Okay, so I might try some stuff from here. It's still raining, of course.
I came from a broken home, a very broken home. But it hurts to love you.
Honestly, what is going on with the price of bloody groceries at the moment? Far out. That was so expensive. My glasses are all fogged up. I got myself a little treaty though. Delicious. Does anyone else get like this, that when you go grocery shopping, when you get home, you never ever want to have to cook? Oh, I freaking hate it. I don't know why. It's like 4:30 now and I cannot be bothered. All the motivation that I had earlier about going grocery shopping, coming home, cooking some lovely homemade meals is gone. All I want now is takeout. The burrito with the shredded mushroom, mild with added jalapenos and coriander. Absolute bee's knees.
Mom is very cold.
How is it, Lex?